You love your car, but it doesn't always love you back. Unexpected repairs can often be expensive and time-consuming while bringing your life to a screeching halt. Without your car, you're living life in the slow lane. What if we told you that Easy Pay Finance can help you get back on the road and get your life moving again, even if you don't have amazing credit? The truth is, with 1 in 3 drivers unable to afford unexpected repairs and 30% unable to qualify for credit, a lot of people are left without a car. That's where Easy Pay Finance comes to the rescue. Easy Pay puts your life back on the road to success by helping you pay when others can't or won't. The pre-qualification app takes less than 2 minutes and doesn't affect your credit score. You can get up to $5,000 towards auto repairs, whether you have good credit or no credit, and 0 down, so you don't have to have the cash today. Been burned by finance companies in the past? Don't worry, Easy Pay's process is 100% transparent, so there's no surprises. The best part? Our interest rebate promotion guarantees that if you pay off your contract in 90 days, you'll get a full interest rebate. So if you find yourself stuck in this pickle, then ask your auto tech about Easy Pay Finance, and we will help you get back on the road in no time, and you can get back to living. Apply today. Unexpected repairs? Ask your tech about Easy Pay today. 2 minutes to pre-qualify, 0 down, good credit to no credit, up to $5,000.